So flexing is definitely a controversial topic, but it's undeniably a major part of streetwear. It's like religion, you know, like as much as you want to say Jesus is your boy and you do anything for your boys, you know damn well you're just looking out for yourself to make sure that when you die, you don't go to hell, because Satan, it's just hot Cheeto fingers, and you know, I just got this off-white shirt. I don't want you touching my off-white shirt. What I really mean is brand matters to some degree at any level of fashion, and if you say you don't even think about it even just a little bit, you're lying, and lying is a sin, and hot Cheetos, man, just watch out. I'm gonna get down into 3 things, and they're gonna be subtlety, style, and layering. But real quick before we get the video.
Hey,
Oh,
you almost bumped me.
What?
You almost bumped me.
I want to thank Bump for sponsoring the video. And make sure you stay to the end of the video because we're joining forces and we're doing giveaway, 3 winners. So if you want to flex harder, I'll be announcing the instructions in a bit. Starting off with subtlety, I mean the legendary art of subtle flexing. Quick rundown for the uninitiated. Subtle flexing is like playing it cool, keeping it low key. It's like being rich. Like you don't even have to pull up with $500,000 cash. You know, you don't need to let people know you have money anymore. All you got to do now is just wear AirPods. It's super low key, but obviously if you wear AirPods, you're rich out of your mind. We get it. You're boys with Billy Gates. Stop tapping your ear. The point I'm making is you don't even have to pull up in a full Gucci jumpsuit anymore. A quick minimal flex will do you better. It's more tasteful, and I personally like it better this way because sometimes when something is heavily branded, it comes off very tacky and gaudy. You don't want that. You know, you got to get that low-key branding so that people know what you're wearing. Yeah, it's like, oh, yeah, I see you. Next up, we got style. And if you're going to wear something high profile, at the very least, just make it match the outfit. Like, just keep the hype items in unison with the rest of your fit so that everything is coherent, rather than just having it as a lame excuse to flex what Santa Claus got you for Christmas. When someone stylishly pulls off an off-white shirt, it's rare and cool because there's a sea of people on social media who are all trying to get the most Virgil you can get in one pic. That's not that cool, man. You know, when I say too much Virgil, I'm not even thinking Virgil anymore. I'm just thinking virgin. Everything looks better when it all works together. Teamwork makes the dream work. All I'm saying is I can only hate you so much if you actually look good wearing something. You know, I'm personally not the biggest Fear of God fan, but when people pull it off right, just you can take me to church, daddy. Lastly, we got layering, and this one is probably one of the most important parts of fashion in general. If you have a Supreme shirt, there's no need to layer this with an off-white hoodie. Do you see people wearing 2 pairs of AirPods? No, you only got 2 ears for a reason. I feel when people layer too many hype pieces on top of one another, it's just receding value. A black hoodie with some off-white Jordans is chill. I like this outfit. It's very low-key. You get a good flex, but it's easy. But as soon as you see a Supreme BOGO on that black hoodie, it's over. The drip turns into flood, and you know, I can't swim. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. Just pick a lane, stop driving on both sides of the road. Just the main thing I'm trying to get across is anything's great in moderation. It's always cool to flex what you have. I'm all for that to an extent, kind of, but just chill. Just for Jesus Christ, just when I see someone overdoing it, I just want to oh god, oh my god, I just hit someone. Yo, are you okay? Are you okay?
You bumped me.
What?
This video is sponsored by Bump.
Which is the best app to shop and sell between used and unused streetwear items. Makes shopping super easy with this filter that I use all the damn time. You just select what you're looking for, and you can even put where you want to get it, just so that shipping isn't crazy. I've been using it a lot, as you can see here, where I buy a pair of court purples, and honestly, I haven't had an issue yet. You know, I'll keep you guys updated. Makes things a whole lot faster, so instead of filtering out different clothes, you can just spend more time filtering out stupid people out of your life. Personally, I've been using the vintage department a lot, which is like a spot where you can look for old vintage stuff that you won't find on shelves. It's really dope, like an online thrift store. And if you don't live in AirPod cities, you can just use the proxy feature to get someone to sit in line for you. It's like having friends, but not really. You know, it's kind of like having friends, not really. A lot of other YouTubers use it, like Mongoose, Richie, Caius, Ari, the streetwear Avengers. Protecting the world from not just Thanos, even worse, fake stuff. You're protected by PayPal if anything stupid comes up, so just like that, Nationwide is on your side, baby. But probably one of the most useful parts of this app is the messaging feature where you can slide into DM. No, bump into people's But you can slide into people's DMs and haggle with pricing. Great if you're cheap, but I have my own group chat on here personally. It's called Respect Women. If you want to hit that up, the link is in the description. And for the giveaway, we're giving away $300 worth of bump credits split between 3 different people. And to be able to enter, you have to be involved in my group chat. So join now, but there are only a limited amount of spots available. So be quick or else you're out and you don't respect women. But really, I'll be live in that chat for a while after this video goes live, and the 3 winners will be selected by me based on the people who are active in that chat. So act quick or you're out. So yeah, to join that, you have to download the Bump app. It's available on iOS and the not as good iOS, I mean Android. Download link will be down there as well. So get the app, join my chat. I'll see you there. Respect women. I need more friends. All right, so wrap this up. Subtle flex. That's it. That's all you need, dude. You don't dip the whole fry in the ketchup. You just put a little bit of sauce. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys, and hopefully it helped you a lot with not looking tacky in hype clothes. Special thanks to Bump for sponsoring the video, so make sure you show them some love and download the app. Everything is in the description. Follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Email me at frugalaesthetic@gmail.com for anything. And yeah, last video of the year. Happy 2019, guys. So stay cherry. Respect Women 2019. A lot's coming for that. And most importantly,